Question number one. Briefly mention your name, your schooling, and previous qualifications. Well, hello. My name is Taha Khan, and I received my early education from St. Paul's English High School, where I did my matriculation and from science with A1 grade. Then I went to DJSN Government Science College, where I completed my HSC, doing majors. My majors was pre-engineering, and I completed it with A grade. Then I did my graduation from University of Karachi from applied chemistry with A grade, and now I am currently working as an assistant manager in Gates Pharma. Question number two. What program are you applying for, and why did you select that program? Well, I've applied for MBA weekends, and the reason for my program is that this program will definitely enhance my communication skills, interpersonal skills, and I believe it will enhance my managerial skills that is needed in my future roles, and I believe that it will equip me better for my future tasks. Question number three. What do you want to do after graduation? Well, since I've chosen my path and I've been working in a top pharmaceutical company for the last 5 years, so one thing is for sure that I will be working in a pharmaceutical industry. But I want to keep my options open. Maybe I can use my MBA skills or this business degree skills to sell or market products by using my technical knowledge upfront, or maybe I can use my technical knowledge and work in a supply chain department, because the job I've been doing is I do API sourcing, so I check all the quality aspects of the API and work very closely with the supply chain department. So it fascinates me more to know more about the supply chain department, from where they, since we all know that supply chain is a backbone of a pharmaceutical industry, from procurement of the material till delivering the material, supply chain involved. So I want to know more about material management, how they're sourcing, their warehousing system, their planning. So it fascinates me. How do you think IUBM will help you to achieve that goal? Well, I believe that IBM curriculum is designed in certain way that they help individuals to achieve their goal. One example is that my brother is also a graduate from this institute, and he always wanted to do his business. So now, after graduation, he is running his venture and he is very satisfied and happy. Similarly, I believe that IBM will help me to achieve my goal to be a reputable professional in a pharmaceutical industry. And also I want to emphasize on experiential learning, that the approach they take, one part of it is capstone project, where they provide individuals, the students, real life experience, I will say, where they face industrial problems, and it is very unique idea, and it is very commendable, and I believe that this separates IOBM from different institutes.